Hey everyone! Want to supercharge your studies and creativity with Google's most powerful AI? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to get the Google AI Pro plan completely free for a whole year, thanks to their amazing student offer. This plan gives you access to top-tier features like the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, VO3 for AI video generation, a massive 2 terabytes of Google One Cloud storage, and it's an incredible toolkit for any student. All right, let's dive in. First things first, click the special link I've put right down in the video description. That'll take you directly to the Google Gemini student offer page. Once the page loads, look for a blue button that says something like Get an Offer or Get Started. Go ahead and click that. You'll likely be directed to a Google One page. This will give you a rundown of all the awesome Pro features included in the free year for university students. Then click the button that says Verify Eligibility. This next page is for verification, usually handled by a service called ShareID. Select your country. Type in the name of your school or university. For example, I'll enter National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences. Enter your first and last name. Super important, make sure this matches your name on your university ID card or official records exactly. Enter your date of birth. Finally, enter your email address. You can use your university-provided email or your personal one. Using the university email might sometimes make verification quicker, but either should work. Double-check everything, then click Verify Student Status. Now, it'll likely ask you to upload proof that you're currently enrolled. You can upload clear pictures of the front and back of your university student ID card. Alternatively, you could use a recent official transcript. Anything official that clearly shows your name, the university name, and a recent date usually works. Choose your document, upload the file or files, and hit Submit. Now, you'll need to wait a bit. Sometimes verification is almost instant, but it can take up to 48 hours while they review your documents and confirm with the university. Once you get that verification success message, awesome! Now, click the button that says Get Google AI Pro. Now, click the button that says Get Student Offer. You'll need to review and agree to the Google One Terms of Service. Okay, listen up. This next part is crucial. You'll see a payment screen asking for your debit or credit card details. Do not worry. You will not be charged anything today. This information is only for verification and for billing if you choose to keep the subscription after your free year is over. Enter your card details. It might autofill if you have one saved with Google. Right after this, find out the exact date your one-year free trial ends. Put a reminder in your phone's calendar, your planner, everywhere, for a few days before that date. If you don't want to start paying, you must unsubscribe before the trial ends. Seriously, set that reminder now. All right, once your payment details are in and your reminder is set, click Subscribe. You should now see a confirmation screen. You've successfully subscribed to the Google AI Pro plan for free for a year. Click on Go to Gemini. Welcome to Gemini Pro. Once you're on the main Gemini page, look near the top. You might see it set to 2.5 Flash. Click on the model name and from the drop-down, select 2.5 Pro. Now you're using the most powerful model included in your plan. You now have access to VO3. Explore the Gemini interface to find the video generation option. You can create short, AI-generated videos, often around 8 seconds long and sometimes with audio, just from a text prompt. Keep in mind, there might be monthly credits or limits on video generation, but it's an incredible tool to play with. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked a year of Google AI Pro for free as a student. You've got powerful AI models, video generation, massive storage, an amazing set of tools to help you learn and create. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments.